Why does a vacation photo make you feel left out? Why does not being there feel like losing something? Welcome to the world of FOMO, the fear of missing out. But this isn't just a personal feeling, it's a deeply social one. FOMO reflects how society shapes our desires, insecurities, and sense of belonging. FOMO is the anxiety that others are experiencing something rewarding without us. But beneath that anxiety lies a complex web of social comparison, identity, and perceived exclusion. Before smartphones and constant notifications, people still feared being left out, but that fear looked very different. In pre-modern, close-knit communities, what Ferdinand Tönnies called Gemeinschaft, people's lives were tied to routine, tradition, and face-to-face interaction. Everyone more or less knew what everyone else was doing. With industrialization came a shift to Gesellschaft, modern, impersonal, and urban societies where individuals were less connected. In today's world, Zygmunt Bauman describes our experience as liquid modernity, unstable, flexible, and uncertain. Social media accelerates this instability. Suddenly, we are exposed to curated highlights from thousands of people. This creates an illusion that everyone else is doing more, enjoying more, living more. Erving Goffman's theory of the presentation of self explains this well. Online, we control our front stage, showing only the most polished, exciting versions of our lives. We then compare our everyday, backstage moments to everyone else's highlights. This disconnect fuels FOMO. Postmodern theorist Jean Baudrillard argued that we now live in a world of simulations, or hyper-reality, where images replace the real. That luxurious vacation or perfect cafe photo may not reflect reality at all. Robert Merton's strain theory can also explain FOMO. Society pushes ideals of success, fun, and social status, but not everyone can achieve them. The gap between these cultural goals and our ability to reach them creates tension, and FOMO becomes one way that tension expresses itself. Think of a university student who skips social events to work a part-time job. They may feel like they're missing out on life, even though they're making responsible choices. Or, consider the average social media user comparing their day at home with an influencer's spontaneous trip to Paris, funded by a sponsorship and edited for maximum effect. FOMO isn't just a flaw in our mindset, it's a social symptom. It reveals how capitalist consumer culture, media saturation, and shifting identities affect how we feel about our own lives. Next time you feel FOMO creeping in, pause and ask, am I reacting to someone's real life or a filtered performance shaped by social forces? If you found this insight helpful, follow for more sociological explorations of everyday life.